Have you seen a movie by the name of Pinocchio? Okay. So this is a very, very beautiful movie, Pinocchio. Okay. Now, what is this story or what is this movie, Pinocchio? So basically, this was one. Okay. Uh, so this was a person who was an artist who used to carve the dolls and the objects out of the wood. One day, what happened? He made a very beautiful kind of a mannequin or a marionette. ठीक है, कठपुतली जिसको हम बोलते हैं. He made a very beautiful marionette or a कठपुतली out of the wood, and he named that particular marionette as Pinocchio. Okay, and he wished that this such a beautiful wooden marionette, it would be wonderful if he would have been a real boy. Okay, it will be wonderful if he would be a real boy. Then what happened? On that fine night, a fairy came. Okay, a fairy came, and that fairy gave life to this wooden marionette. And that fairy told this wooden boy that you can become a real boy if you will behave ethically. If you will behave ethically. Then this wooden boy Pinocchio, he said that how I'll know कि ethical क्या है और unethical क्या है, मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं ethical क्या है और unethical क्या है. Then there was this cricket, his name was Jiminy Cricket. So this cricket, so that this fairy blessed this cricket, and she said that you will become the voice of conscience of the Pinocchio. Okay, you will tell him what is right and what is wrong. So whenever he is going to do something wrong, you tell him that ये गलत है. Okay, so you guide him. Okay, so this Jiminy Cricket was blessed by the fairy. Now what happened? Pinocchio, he became a wooden boy, and he started to, he started living his life. One day he met with a fox, and the fox promised him that okay, वहाँ चल के don't go to school, we'll enjoy, and we'll do this, we'll do that, we'll do this, we'll do that. Okay, and then what happened? He fell to the temptation, and he found himself in a very bad condition. Clear or not? So basically the fairy, he was rescued. The fairy said that okay, whenever you will do something unethical, whenever you will not hear your voice of conscience, your nose will, basically आपका जो nose है वो nose बड़ा हो जाएगा. ठीक है? This wooden nose will grow and it will become big whenever you will do something unethical. Clear or not? Now what happens? Pinocchio again started to fall to his temptations. वो अपनी temptations के बारे में सुनने लग गया. He started ignoring the voice of conscience. Fine, he used to tell him that don't do this, don't do this. He used to ignore him. Okay, and again he found himself in a very bad situation. Clear? In this movie you will find that the more he ignores his voice of conscience, this insect, the cricket, fine, his voice became feeble, his voice became very weak. Are you getting it or not? So what is voice of conscience? Voice of conscience is simply that subtle voice. It is a subtle compass which guides us as what is right and what is wrong. So as Pinocchio was guided by the Jiminy Cricket, in the same way, the voice of conscience, everybody has a voice of conscience. Voice of conscience is that small and very subtle voice. Whenever you are doing something unethical, a voice will come from within, and that voice will tell you that you should not do that. Are you getting it or not? कभी कुछ करना चाहिए और नहीं कर रहे हो, so that voice of conscience will guide you that you should do. Sometimes you should not do something, but you are doing it. That voice of conscience will guide you that you should stop. So when we talk about the voice of conscience, what is the voice of conscience? Voice of conscience is a moral compass. Voice of conscience is a moral compass. Now, as compass shows us the physical direction, the voice of conscience shows us the moral direction. In the moral situations where there is a dissonance, where there is a confusion as what is to be done, what is not to be done, the voice of conscience guides us in these particular situations. Is it clear?